Hi all, thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all doing well. So today I am going to be showing you how to painting on this platter. If you want to see how to make this platter, I have a video that I've released a few days ago, so I will link it up at the top for you. So as you can see here, I've chosen a few underglaze colors that I am applying on this piece. I'm basically layering the colors to get the blend and the look that I'm going for this artwork. So underglaze painting works in the same way as acrylic paint or oil painting, where you can blend different colors together to get a new color palette. You can apply gradients or with a layering create effects and depth that you can on any other artwork. As you would have seen, there's multiple occasions where I wasn't quite happy with certain section of our artwork, so I just went back over them with different colors and reworking that area. So then you keep working through the piece until you're happy with the end results of your artwork. So once the piece is finished, I will dry it slowly under plastic or in a dry room before we send it for the firing and we get to see the end results. I will also be uploading some pictures of a finished platter on my Instagram and Facebook pages, so you can head there to have a look. Alternatively, you can also follow my pages so that you will be notified once they are ready. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more pieces like this, please leave me a comment below, or subscribe to my channel so you get to see any of my upcoming videos. Until then, have a great time and I hope to see you next time. Bye.